With these Apple Watch bracelets, they're easy to use. They're Velcro, which is easier to adjust the size on your hand. They're very breathable. They're so comfortable on your hands. Even with the Velcro, you can't even feel the Velcro. It's very soft. It's easy to put on. They come folded, as you can see. With Apple Watches, it's easy to assemble. All you have to do is take off the previous bands. As you can see, there's a button. All you have to do is press it and release these two bands that are already on the Apple Watch, and to click it back on as well as you took it off. It's very simple to adjust. All you have to do is put it around your hand, make it bigger as you see, to put it inside your hand, and all you have to do is Velcro it, and it's very simple to open, use. Unlike the other ones which just have holes in it, this one just has Velcro, and the Velcro is very easy to take off and on. And even if the Velcro is touching your hand, it does not make you uncomfortable. It's actually very soft, which is I like about it. And it doesn't seem like it's gonna go anywhere anytime soon. It's very stick-on, so I could be running or walking, and it's very handy to have these, and it won't not drop my Apple Watch. And all you have to do is take it off. Very easy to use. There's various colors besides the one I had put on. 2 colors on each bracelet. Some of them are very nice and I really like them. I realized that this one's bigger than the rest of them, which is very convenient in case someone has a bigger hand and none of these will fit them. They do have different sizes, which is very convenient and useful.